the city's Human Resources Department to Planning and Development and Public Works Bike Plan. See how city employees and programs are making a difference here in the city. Hi, I'm Lucha Morales and this is Houston Happenings. This month, Mayor Sylvester Turner confirmed Human Resources Department new director Jane Cheeks. A longtime city employee, Cheeks was first appointed interim director this past February.
Jane Cheeks is now the permanent director for HR. Jane has been with the city now for over 18 years and has been serving as the interim since February. Since February.
Yes, sir.
And has been doing a fine job and has earned the position, and look forward to working with you now as the director of HR.
Yes, sir.
Cheeks brings with her 16 years of city experience in leading department consolidations, streamlining HR services, and improving policies and programs. Cheeks will lead more than 270 HR professionals who serve more than 21,000 city employees across 27 city departments. To answer the call to make Houston more bike-friendly, city leaders have put together a bike plan to put Houston on the nation's bike map. A finalized Houston bike plan was released this past June. The plan vision aims to increase safety and access while developing and maintaining ridership. The major cornerstone of the plan includes the addition of more than 1,500 miles of bike lanes and trails, with 800 of those to be added in the next decade. The city's Planning and Development Department, along with Public Works and Engineering, worked to update the plan while working with TxDOT to develop the plan. Fund partners included Bike Houston, Houston Parks Board, Houston Galveston Area Council, FTA, and the Federal Highway Administration. To learn more about the plan, log on to houstonbikeplan.org. Well, that completes this month's wrap-up. Until next time, I'm Lucha Morales, and this is Houston Happenings.